Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. When drawing something like this, you definitely need to rotate from the center. But this one's a little bit different, a little more difficult, but there is a way around it. Take an ellipse, and we're going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. And then I'm going to double click on the rotation, and I'm going to make sure it stays on that indexing line. Rotate it 72 degrees, Control D, Control D, Control D. Now, if we group these together and hit P, the indexing lines are in the center of the page, but our item is not. It's too high. So if you will take your 2-point line and go down here till you see node, and then go right there to that intersection, go down here till you see node, and go up to that intersection, our crosshairs are right in the center. So this is now the new center of our object. We're going to take the virtual segment delete key and delete these lines. I am going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill in our new object. And I'm going to do a little bit different. This time I put black in the middle. This time I'm going to put black on the edges. I'm going to get the interactive fill tool, and I want black here. Sometimes that really makes me irritated. It won't let you, well, let's just go ahead and put black there and go ahead and put black here. And then we're going to need to put a blue in the middle. And then move it kind of more to the middle. Maybe even expand our tools a little bit to make it not so black, and go up here to smooth it out. Now we know where to rotate from. Control D and make a duplicate. Take the center rotation and put it right there. And really, this is one of those times that there's a lot to snap to, so you've got to kind of zoom in. Rotate that 72 degrees. Whoop, 72 degrees. Control D, 144. Control D, Control D. Now you can take away your outline by right-clicking No Outline, and you have that object. Let's take I think this looks a lot better than my first one. It actually looks like it's going in and out. But you've got to determine where the center of your rotation is. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.